Yo, hello guys. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable auto dubbing on YouTube videos so you can listen to the original voice instead of the dubbed version. Let's begin. So whenever you're watching a video that's been auto dubbed, you'll actually see a label like auto dubbed on it. For example, this video was originally made in English, but sometimes YouTube will automatically dub this into various languages. So if I'm going to play this, it will actually be in Japanese.
いじめられている気分です。とてもいじめられている気分です。
Then what we need to do is simply go to the settings menu over here. Okay, left click, choose audio track, and select the original voice or audio track. It will show original. Left clicked and it will actually revert this back to the original language or audio. If I'm going to play this, it will now be in English.
I took a nap today because I know I was gonna stay up late because I have a sponsored stream at 2 a.m. my time. That will be 2 hours, so I'm.
And that's it. We have now successfully made sure to disable auto dubbing on YouTube. I hope you found this video very helpful.